Sound. First 5. Sorry. Sound.
Kasi parang hinahanin na lang natin.
Ganun ang pwedeng iskate.
Sound.
Sobra, Meng.
Team Laksa versus Team Indon. Third eye semi-final game. First position goes to SME. Indon to Gali. To Solicito Fars. First shot of the ball game from Solicito, 2 points. Arceliano now points. Indon to Gali. Gali breaks. Indon fires. Now rebound goes to Laksa. Arceliano setting things up. Finds Templado down low. Kicks it out of bounds. The ball goes to SME. Gali intercepted. And recovery by Gali. Finds Indon. Indon down low pass. Forcing his way in. No. Rebound by Templado. Arceliano. To Laksa. Laksa fakes. Kicks it out to Ariar. Ariar. Ooh. Arceliano fires. No. Rebound by Indon. Templado. With that. hostile play, but there's the whistle and foul called for jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 has his first personal team foul. On the line now, shooting team number 12, Templado. Gets the first.
Ano na shoot?
Indon. To Gali. Gali for 3. Now. The ball will stay 13 on the shot clock. Solicito fades short.
Nowitzki.
Arceliano looking for a teammate. Finds Ariar on the corner. Long and deep. Indon for 3 now. Rebound by number 3. Block shot by Templado. Out of bounds. OKC basketball. Arceliano splitting the D, forcing his way in. No good rebound there by Raxa. Tanyoko struggling on the wing side. Finds Arceliano in the shoot. Arceliano sidestep now. Rebound by jersey number 3. On the run now for SME shirts. Into Firestone. Put back. Ashton. 4-3. Slow start there by OKC and SME. Ariar, short corner now.
Sayang.
Indon now. 2 against 3 blue shirts. Down low pass to Solicito. Reverse shot. No. Rebound. Another reverse shot. And 2 points by Indon. Arceliano to Templado. Slams on the break. Finds Tanyoko. 3.
Sagad, Ki, sagad.
Tanyoko tries another. Bam! Tanyoko 3. Indon looking for a teammate. Gali back to Indon. 8 to shoot. 2-man game to number 3 now. Rebound by Laksa. Finds Tanyoko. Lays it up. Erskine. 2 points.
Talubang niya.
8 straight points for Tanyoko.
Taba!
Here comes another. Tanyoko winds up for 3.
Baliw!
It's Tanyoko time. 11 to nothing run all alone coming from Tanyoko. Laksa with the defensive board.
Okay. Taba, rekta mo na. Ki, lapit Ki.
Laksa forcing his way through. Slightly loses the leather. Mandatory substitution. What the first 5 minutes there for jersey number 15, Tanyoko. 11 straight points. 3 3-pointers. That's jersey number 15, Tanyoko. Amba now. Checks in for SME. Tries for 3. Now. 14 to shoot. Amba loses the leather. Tanyoko now on the run. SME Basketball. Ano, magre-reklamo? Magre-reklamo? Magre-reklamo?
Tiro!
Canceran, fakes! Danyogo with the steal. Danyogo now. Slams on the break. Looking for a teammate. Finds number 16. Tulaksa. Now, rebound by ang ball. Number 33 winds it up. Now, rebound by Laksa.
Bamugi!
Danyogo tries another. Rebound by jersey number 16. 17 to 6. Danyogo winds up another. No! Rebound by Ambal. But there's a whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, that's his first personal team foul. Time out is called, the SME. What a ball game for Danyogo.
Parang nakakuha ng box sa referee si Rian pa.
Last 3 minutes on the first quarter. Ambal winds up for 3. Yes, sir. Ambal 3. Number 4 looking for a teammate. Winds up for 3. Now, rebound by 16. 16 to number 4. 8 to shoot. Intercepted. Danyogo 4 to shoot. Ooh, there's a whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 2. That's his first personal second team foul. Javier 3. 20 to 9, 11-point advantage for OKC Blues. 14 to shoot. He fires another. In and out. One offensive board. But there's a steal by Canceran. 3 versus 4. Number 2. Forcing his way in. Number 21 on ball with the recovery. And 100 is good for Rayon Ball.
Gigo Agi!
Danyogo up by 9 with the ladder now. Guard by Canceran. 8 to shoot. Danyogo, no. To Javier crosses over to Danyogo. 2-1 game, 6 to shoot. Splitting the D. Steve Ambal. Ambal against Laksa with the hezzy move. Double hezzy and loses the letter.
Gigo Agi! Gigo Agi!
Danyogo intercepted by Canceran. Laksa with the recovery.
Gawagi, gawa!
12 to shoot. 8 Laksa. 1 under now. Rebound by jersey number 2. Kansanan all alone, winds up for 3, short. Rebound by Laksa. Laksa 3 versus 2. Laksa with the sidestep pass, yes sir. Ampal. Back shot now, rebound by Tanyoko. Shot clock is off. 12 to shoot.
Mira! 10!
Javier for 3. Short, rebound by number 14. 4 to shoot. At the end of the first, our official score is 22 to 11. 11-point lead by OKC Blues.
Oh, ano? Interview, pre. Isa. Sir, ano masasabi nyo sa first quarter nyo? Okay. Salamat. Sigang, tawagin mo sigang. Isa. Anong gagawin nyo para makabalik kayo sa laro?
Our next game, Team 44s versus KOC sa ating semifinal knockout round ng senior division. Arceliano setting things up for OKC Blues. Down low pass is good. What a find there by Arceliano, finding a cutting templado. Pastor 3. Not this time traveling. It's gold.
Tira na lang, no?
24 to 14. Pastor with the offensive board. Oh, turnover. Arceliano. 12 to shoot. Finds Nova for 3. Now, rebound by Danis. Danis now on the run. Forcing his way in. Dips in the shot now. Out of bounds. The ball will stay 14. Sound. One to sound.
Ginaguluhan niya.
Out of bounds, turnover.
bababa ng bola.
Foul is called for jersey number 24. That's his fourth personal foul, third team foul. Timeout is called. OKC Flames.
G, interview. G. Ay, shit. May pagpalit ka ng magbababa ng bola para makatira. May pagpalit ka ng magbababa ng bola. Ikaw tumira dito, Chiyo. Oo, ito yung pagbabayin mo. Tapos doon kay Pastor. Ay, okay.
Sam. Back to the ball game. On the line. Shooting kid number 5, Solicito. He sinks in the first. Cutting down the lead to 6. Basket, no count. Lane violation. Pastor with a steal. Indod with the recovery. Ooh, counter steal by Templado. Templado recovers the leather. One hustle there by Indod. Templado finds number 16. Traveling violation. Good call there by our game official.
Puro ganun, G. Puro ganun. Puro ganun.
Indon now. To Pastor, back to Indon. Indon forcing his way in. Floater is good. Arceliano. To Ariar, Ariar. 12 to shoot. Arceliano. Now. Indon finds number 26, but there's a whistle and another traveling violation is goal, this time for SME. Arceliano setting things up now for OKC. The number 16, to Templado, back to Arceliano. Arceliano fakes, he fires short. Indon. Pastor, corner, he fakes now. Intercepted, the ball will stay 11 on the shot clock. 11 to shoot. Pastor for 3, short. Indon, long two for Tanis. Indon. 24 to 22. The lead now is down to 2. 12 to shoot. Noah forcing his way in. Arceliano with the recovery. Now no pass. Block shot. Indon to number 26. Templado with the defensive board. Tapping ka ng bola, Arceliano does it. Number 16, short stop, no. 24 to 22. Down by 2. That is now with the leader. 10 to shoot. Floater is good.
Huli pa daw.
Category substitution. To 24 is the official count. Tanyoko now checks in. Arceliano winds up for 3 now. Tanyoko. Warrior. 6 to shoot. Locks out. Dr. Arceliano. Top of the key. Splitting the D. Forcing his way in. Floater is good. Ambal. Sending things up. Finds cutting Canceran. Canceran for 3. Yes, sir. Change favor. SME now gets the lead. Brought to you by Francis Canceran. Arceliano. 10 to shoot. 5, Arceliano. Now, rebound by jersey number 4. Almenanza for 3, short. Ariar gets the board. Laksa, cross court, Tanyoko winds up another 3. In and out. Ambal. Counter steal. Number 4 with the recovery. Ambal, free throw line shot. Now, Laksa with the leader. Laksa on the run. Takes it out. Tanyoko bar. Short. Takes it out. Canceran off the glass. 2. 3-point lead for SME. That's Francis Canceran. 12 to shoot. Tanyoko winds up another. No. Ambal spins, bars. Foul is called for jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. That's his first personal warning for penalty.
Tira, Meng. Tira.
Ambal. 8 to shoot. Laksa. Muscling his way in. Spins. Arceliano with the recovery. Slightly loses the leather. Finds Ariar. Ariar. On the move. Lays it up. And it's good.
Hindi naman. Ganyan, nakita namin yun.
Ambal splitting the D. Finds Perolina, but the ball is intercepted. The ball will stay 16 on the shot clock. 16 to shoot. Ambal for 3. Now, Perolina with the putback. 2 points. 31 to 28. Down by 3 now. Arceliano. Finds Xavier for 3. Short. Rebound by just number 4.
Ah!
Nanyoko with another 3. That's his 5th 3-pointer. That's his 5th 3-pointer on this small game.
Grabe. Sorry na yan, may mga pan.
Back to the ball game.
Pagka-drive mo, ibato mo sa labat, kick out mo.
Our next game, 44s versus KOC. Ambal picks up the leather. 31-31 is the official count. Berolina, short stab is good. Ambal to Berolina, loses the leather. Ambal with the recovery. Intercepted. Oh, there's a foul is called for jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. That's his second personal foul. Penalty. On the line, shooting two. Ambal gets the first. $35 to 31. 12 to shoot. Ariar, 8. There's a whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 2. 21. That's his first personal foul. First team foul. 14 to shoot. Arceliano lays it up. What an inbound play there. Finding cutting Arceliano for an easy tee. Ambal. 3. Shot clock is off. 8 to shoot. Steal. 5. Alvin Naza lays it off. 2 points. At the end of the first half, our official score is 40 to 33. 7-point lead now for SME.
Tay kayo! Tay kayo! Halftime interview! Halftime interview! Templado! Halftime interview! Ayaw ba? Lapit na kaya natin. Kap!
Sir, anong masasabi niyo? So, iiton mo.
Pa kayo. Nakabalik kayo sa laro. Maganda yung pinakita nyo.
Pinakita.
Wow, ha? Wow! Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganong ano.
Ganun. Napapansin namin, yung mga kalaban niyo, puro sa 3 points to nagkakira. Karma. Ito. Ambal.
Bal. sabihan si Aquino? Ano sabihan si Aquino? Umapit. Basta na. Gumagalaw rin sila RCT sa ito palo. Ay, bakit ano naman dyan eh? Ba't may drive pa? Lalo si Men, nakabul na drive dito. Check ka niyang mga yan pag pumasok ka sa loob, check ka niya na check nyo eh. Tangin naman si Kurt pa nga nakakahuli ng dribble mo.
Nagpatuloy pa ko. Hindi mo na yung magamit.
Ayaw mag-drive kick out na lang. Kailangan dyan ako lagi. Bulakas sila eh. Lalo pag kami nila. Hindi, ano lang to? Like, upload. Uy, tawag na yung first five nyo. Game na, Meng. Tambakan nyo na.
Ang ball with the opening shot. Now, Laksa to Arceliano.
Ayagi!
Arceliano! 3! Rebound by Laksa.
Naalala na yung mga sinasabi.
Arceliano and Talioco. Shooting spree for OKC Blues. Down by 1. Laksa now. Arceliano. To Talioco. Talioco naman. Now. In good. Pull up J. Now. Out of bounds. By jersey number 9.
Agi.
12 to shoot. Foul is called for jersey number 11. That's his first personal foul. First team foul substitution.
Pero pwede mo lang ito.
Arceliano gets the first.
Sabay lang kayo naglalaro niya ni Ate. Ha? Sabay lang kayo naglalaro ni Ate.
240.
Kasi naglalaro nang wala ka eh. Nung nandito ka lang. Oo, wala lang siya nakakapaglaro din. Hindi nagna-19 sabay ganyan pa rin naglaro. Kuha! Ay, sayang.
In goal, lefty layup is good, and one. Foul is called for jersey number 17. That's his first personal foul, first team foul substitution. The ball will stay. 14 on the shot clock. Templado off the glass. Oh, floater is good. Rather. Carolina splitting the day, finds Almenanza. Almenanza off the glass short. Gets his own base. He fakes. What a shot there by Almenanza. Laksa wide open. Lefty layup now. In goal to Carolina. 2 points.
Anong binibaby ni Yogi? Betix na. Parang dito.
What a pass there to Laksa. 2 points and 1. Foul is called for jersey number 23. That's his first personal foul. Second team foul. Number 3, rather. Laksa completes the 3-point play. Indon now. Carolina, short staff is good. Laksa. Back to Arceliano. Arceliano top of the key. Third 3-pointer of the ball game for Arceliano. Feeling the missing shooting of Tanyoko. Ang ball now. Laksa with the defensive board. Laksa showing his handles and a steal by Indon. Almenanza on the run now. Fake pass. Indon to Almenanza. 2 points. Another deadlock. 52. The ball will stay 14 on the shot clock.
Bang.
It's the defensive board. Indon.
Uy, tumidepensa.
Foul is going for jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, that's his first personal foul. Second team foul. Templado. It's the rebound. Templado fakes off the glass. Two and one.
Kapit lang.
Foul is going for jersey number 4. That's his first personal foul. Third team foul. On the line, body shot. Number 12, Templado.
Salubong. Kaya, Kim, kaya.
Steal. Laksa with the defensive effort there. Subdivision.
Pag-side yun si Beba.
What a fight there. Barely the Sonics. There's a whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 21. That's his second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Arceliano misses the dribble. Ambal finds Canceran. He fires in and out. Laksa gets the leather.
Gingi ka, gingi ka, gingi.
Arceliano, that's a traveling violation. 54 to 52. What a rally for both teams. This is a semi-final knockout game. OKC versus SME. Team who wins this game gets the first seed on the final round. And to shoot. It's good. Now, rebound by Laksa.
Corner, Kim.
Templado, tukating Laksa, kicks it out to Tanyako, fakes, steps back, finds Laksa, corner, fakes, finds Arceliano, 8 to shoot, Arceliano forcing his way in, but there's basket count, and one. Foul is called for jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, that's his first personal penalty. Canceran to Ambal, short stab is good. Laksa looking for a teammate, finds number 16 wide open, he fakes, then he fires short. Tanyoko fires for 3. Wow! He's spilling it!
Nick! Balikan mo yun.
by Ampal. Indon. Laksa. Winds up another. That is 8 3-pointer of the ball game. Ampal with a quick 2 points. 62 to 56.
Oras! Last shot nyo! Oras! Sige, hawa mo!
12 to shoot. Arceliano winds up for 3, block shot. Shot clock is off, 10 to shoot. Ampal. Indon, pick up the miss. There's a whistle, foul is called for jersey number 25. That's his second personal foul, third team foul. On the line now, shooting to number 88, Danis Indon. He's 6 in the first.
Ming!
3 seconds remaining on the third. 62 to 57.
Kim! Hindi, tao yan.
3 seconds.
Tira!
The number 16. At the end of the third,
Nick, palta mo!
our official score is
Nick!
62 to 58. 4-point lead for OKC Blims.
Nick, palta mo nga muna, Nick!
8 3-pointers for Talioco and 3 for Arceliano. That's the formula para sa advantage ng OKC.
Interview, Archie! What a run!
Last and
Hello?
final quarter.
Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo? Ako, andyan na lang, pre. Ayaw pa naman. Oh, ito! Bola! Ki, lapit Ki!
Steal by Perolina. Lays it up now. Opia. Huli ka dyan. Tanyo. Tanyo mo. Mini Hesia, but there's a whistle. Foul is called
May ganun din naman eh.
for jersey number. Jersey number 1, that's his first personal foul, and that's his second personal foul. First team foul. On the line is shooting team. Tanyoko. He gets the first.
Nasa game yan.
Two for team. Indon. Fakes. Finds a ball. Look at Serran wide open. Ooh! Nalo pass. What a find here for Francis Canceran for an ECD by Perolina.
Peggy!
Laksa.
Nice
jersey number 21. That's his third personal, second team foul. 16 on the shot clock.
Hawak, Ki, hawak. Patay mo siya, Ki. Kain, Ki.
Rebound by Ambal. Canceran lays it up. Now, rebound by Laksa.
Baba, Ki. Nice game.
Noah with the offensive board. 10 to shoot. Steal. In goal, lays it up now. Carolina, button is good. Like a summer foul. Foul is goal for jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Fouled out. Timeout is called. Oki Siblims.
Lidita for all apps and sites.
Boss, may dagdag ba? Ayun. Jersey number
17. Warning for jersey number 17 for faking the foul. Back to the ball game.
Biga sa biga.
On the line. Shooting bonus shot number 3. Carolina. Carolina completes the 3-point play. 64 to 63, up by 1. Tanyoko has it. Tanyoko, he picks. Finds Laksa, back to Tanyoko, wide open 3. Short, rebound by Ambal. Ambal finds Canceran. What
Ano yun?
defensive play there by Laksa, but there's a whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 has his third personal, third team foul.
So, kung yan. Ano lang yan? Pwede mo na i-coast to coast yun eh. Nailang nga kasi.
Second personal foul for Carolina.
Lapit! Lapit!
Laksa.
Gagi kaya!
Arce fires for 3, short.
Recto!
Rebound by Ambal. Carolina muscling his way through. Now, rebound by Laksa. That's his 14th rebound of this ball game. Templado speeds now. Rebound by Canceran. Ambal has it. Finds Carolina one-on-one. Carolina kicks it out to Ambal. Ambal. 4 shot. Another power rebound by Laksa. And the foul. Oops, sorry. A held ball. Another rebound by Laksa. 16th rebound of this ball game. Javier with the floater in and out. Rebound by Canceran. Into 3 versus 2. Finds Carolina down. There's Jersey number 25, that's his third personal foul. Second team foul on the line, shooting to number 3. Carolina, substitution. RR checks in for OKC Blues.
Nice take, nice take.
Carolina sinks in the first. Tie game, 64. Chance to take the lead. Last shot. Himdon with the offensive board. A ball for 3. Bam! A much needed 3 there by SME to get the lead. 67 to 64. RR struggling. Finds Templado. What an events there by a ball finds. Oh! Carolina off the gas now. Ibabayar. What a sequence!
Di, kulang! Kulang isa!
RR fires along the short. Ibabay ito to Carolina. Off the glass now.
Wagi! Ano?
12 to shoot.
Buwa!
And you go 1-3 now. That one is gold. SME. Back to the ball game. 67 to 64. Up by 3. SME now with the possession. (69 to 64). And to shoot. Out of bounds. The ball will stay. 4 to shoot. 4 on the shot clock.
4! Tira! Pasok na! Ki! Kumain niya, di kayong dalawa. Iwayo. Hindi kayo dito.
Laksa muscling his way in. Offensive foul is good. For Laksa, that's his second personal foul.
Men, kalma na. Okay na.
Danis. There's a whistle, foul is goal for jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, that's his fourth personal warning for penalty. On the line, shooting here, number 88, Danis. Indoor. Eight to shoot. Five.
Mo, Chigoa.
Tanyoko gets the letter. Arceliano all the way through to points. 73 to 66.
1 year.
Canceran picks it up. Ambal has it. Setting things up for SME. He assists the pick. Winds up for three. Now, rebound by Ariar. Held ball. Blue. Substitution. Number 4 checks in for Almen Nansar. 73 to 66. Down by 7. Arceliano now. Guard by Indon. Canceran. Tanyoko, he picks. He fires. Foul is called SME. 73 to 69. With 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining on this ball game. Our next game for senior division. 44s versus Knights. 73 to 69. Up by 4. SME now with the possession. Danis Indon with the leather now. Kicks it out to Canceran. Canceran, short staff now. Riwan by Templado. Templado.
Chigoa.
Laksa. There's a whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 4. That's his second personal penalty. Last 2 minutes. On the line now, shooting to Ruel Laksa.
Panood mo na ba yan?
Oh, he misses the first.
Panood mo na yan. Isip na yan.
So he misses there for Laksa. 73 to 69. Down to up by 4 now. Ambal, 8 to shoot. Ambal kicks it out. Templado with a steal. For Arceliano loses the letter, but there's no whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 4. That's his third personal foul penalty.
Penalty.
On the line, shooting to number 25, Arceliano.
Pilit na.
Sub na po yan, sub na po.
Sub. Oo, sub. Eh, yung automatic.
Palagi na lang. Hindi na nakakatapos.
Sub, pasab na po, sub po yan. Nag-ano tayo, nag-injury. Sub na yan, balik ko na lang mamaya. Nag-injury tayo mamaya. On the line, shooting to number 25, Arceliano. He sinks in the first. 73 to 70. Substitution. 73 to 71, one possession ball game for SME. With under 2 minutes remaining on this ball game, 73 to 71. Danny Sindon setting things up for SME. He attacks, lays it up all the way to points. 75 to 71, Arceliano with a steal by a ball. On ball to Indon. Indon slams on the break. Splitting the D. Says chill lang for SME. 12 to shoot. 10. 8. 74 to 71. 5. On ball. Takes. Takes it out. Good.
Walang foul. Gigi.
Laksa. 40 seconds. Laksa lays it up. No! 75 to 71.
Kapit. Kuha.
Last 30 seconds.
Pressure.
With 10 seconds difference starting game clock. 10 to shoot. 8. Solicito to Indon. Indon for three. No! Rebound by Arceliano. Last 10 seconds. Laksa. Laksa lays it out. Yes, sir.
Foul, foul. Foul, 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 foul.
Advance tayo at pala, advance. Akin wala tayo at pala.
Dalawa pa foul. Iba yung foul to yung foul siya. Parang penalty ah.
Bola nyo pala.
Daming sorry. Daming kayo. Diba? Ano? Sunod-sunod na foul pa penalty.
Backward pa rin. Backward inbound pa rin. Up by two. On ball. For the shoot. Foul is called. Foul is called. SME.
That's me! That's it, run! Twice and out! Twice and out!
Both teams under penalty situation. Up by team. 2 seconds remaining on this ball game. A chance to make this a 2-possession game. A ball on the line. This is the first. Timeout is called. OKC Blims 76-73. What are the odds now for OKC Blims to tie this game with 2 seconds remaining on this ball game? This is a make or break play for OKC.
Doon na ba matik bola yan? Dito na matik yan. Dito na bola yan.
This is a make or break play now for OKC. OKC with Talioco, Arceliano, Ariar, Templado, and Laksa. Arceliano fouls! And that's the end of the ball game. Our final score is 76-73.